Hi everyone, myself Mrs.S.Nusrath Najeeba, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science SF. In this video, we are going to learn about selection sort. These are the things we are going to learn on this video. First of all, we are going to see what is selection sort, then we are going to see the illustration and its time complexity and space complexity. Afterwards, we will see the advantages and disadvantages of selection sort. First of all, let me see what is a selection sort. It is a comparison based sorting algorithm. It sorts an array by repeatedly selecting the smallest or largest element from the unsorted portion and swapping it with the first unsorted element. This process continues until the entire array is sorted. In this, first we find the smallest element and swap it with the first element. This way we get the smallest element at its correct position. Then we find the smallest element among remaining elements and swap it with the second element. We keep doing this until we get all elements moved to correct position. Okay, let us see it with an illustration. In this, we are having an array of 5 elements. The 5 elements are 64, 25, 12, 22 and 11. During the first pass, we are going to select the first position in the sorted array. The whole array is traversed from index 0 to 4 sequentially. The first position where 64 is stored presently. After traversing whole array, it is clear that 11 is the lowest value. Thus, replace 64 with 11. After one iteration, 11, which happens to be the least value in the array, tends to appear in the first position of the sorted list. In the second pass, for the second position, we are going to do the sorting. In this, where 25 is present, again traverse the rest of the array in a sequential manner. After traversing, we found that 12 is the second lowest value in the array and it should appear at the second place in the array. Thus, we are going to swap 25 and 12. During the third pass, we are going to sort the third position. That is, again 25 is present in the third position. Now we are going to traverse the remaining set elements in the array and we will find the third least element, that is 22. Now we swap 25 and 22. Similarly, for the fourth pass, we are going to sort the fourth position of the array. In the fourth position, 25 is present. So, we are going to traverse the rest of the elements. Since 25 is the lowest value, hence it will be placed at the fourth position. In the fifth pass, at last, the largest value present in the array automatically get placed at the last position in the array. The resulted array is the sorted array. Okay. Now we are going to analyze the complexity of this selection sort. The time complexity of the selection sort is order of n2, since we are having 2 nested loops in there. The auxiliary space, that is the space complexity of the selection sort is order of 1, as the only extra memory is used for temporary variables. Then these are the advantages of the selection sort. It is easy to understand and implement, making it ideal for teaching basic sorting concepts. It requires only a constant order of 1 extra memory space. It requires less number of swaps or memory writes compared to many other standard algorithms. Only cycle sort beats it in terms of memory writes. Therefore, it can be simple algorithm choice when memory writes are costly. The main disadvantage of the selection sort is it has the time complexity of order of n square, which makes it slower compared to algorithms like quicksort or mergesort. It doesn't maintain the relative order of equal elements, which means it is not stable. I hope through this video you learned what is selection sort and what are its advantages and disadvantages. Thank you for learning. Happy learning.